So this is my setup for exploring abandoned places. I didn't test it yet. It's basically a tripod with this metal plate that I can attach things on top. This is screwed here. 1/4 inch, I think, the screw. This is the NEEWER M11 and the NEEWER CN216 LED lights with this diffuser. And here I can attach the new Osmo Pocket 3 like that. Then I can use it like this. So on. Like this. And that's it. I can put the lanyard here somehow. Like this, you know. And then like hands-free. For example, if you want to be with hands-free like that, you can hang around your neck. Okay. That's it. I haven't tested yet, but I think it will work fine. So all this stuff is on the link of the video description. The names and models of the things and the link to buy it. Thank you for watching.